o tout blâmant. Liki torno, it tak mortant à pair of que jeune tout achive manode. Culture around te vorlda verit of passage tout symbolise it, avec la custom tout proservite. Ti article focus ont journée from boyau tout manode, raté tant i fondamental différence between men en o omen. Al tout crino on way tout catégorise lines, te rare certains attributs tapé up le à la roue te world considément li. Rara fait. Mien. Know yourself. Fin out who you are en bapi with ta person. Turn on way tout bâment. Ar allemand cambe allogué who vir plaid en 2 et 1 show et fort d'idée, ar allemand quand also bas professeur who tal kabou Milton en Shakespeare. Almen, ove, kno who tear en respecté en selvinant out. Bekno le diable à bout sommeting. It 2 et 1 realimate whitey, buyouch ou it consider yourself pretty familiar with an area of expertise. Men man obable tout, au Rouen tout. Use fancy, $2 vor, but when it come team to jet in don, techno to act. Te use ser smart to jet it done. Wa area of expertise do you know? Rare juste fait area you might consider divinianto. General knowledge. You're jack of all trade. You could win a pretty penny en géopardy. If you carried à la boubin en TV. You know the difference between participle en part of speech. Pterodactyle en pterorinchu, en à $99 suivant à $6,000 suit. Car. Men flock to car forte sam riazonte flock to omen, teir botiful, intriguing, complexe. No on des men refer to car in feminine terme. My beurt qu'un offman was buddy brin ser car to wenteneid a clutch replacé d'orteol changed. History. Un cringli rare. Who sa stud of history give yourself the benefit of a very wide long when contemplating a problem. Quand on roman artillery strategy, Cold War negotiating tactique, en obscure French economic policy, amont au terre. Knota history is injuste à bout preventing to mistake of the past from happening in the future. O omen. Some men turn opposite sex into a field of study. If you want to be knowledgeable omen, be prepare to make mistake en learn from them. Turn nothing worse temps amant who think god gift to omen, bu who stubbornly insulting, cavalier, enclules. When you've made a mistake en when to say sorry. Turn nothing wrong with making a mistake. On lit insecurement think ta making a mistake bad, because you know comfortable with who in the first place. Confident men when they revront en arafret to admit it. Learn to say sorry in different way. Men not saying sorry de et un alve to be verbal. A ticket to a baseball game, breakfast in bed, en a camping trip a railway to say sorry with to moving to old vocal core back en forte. Men not that are often more effective way of communicating regrettant to mislever. Kno te manque code. Why te manque code? Te manque code en une written set of rules men libby, often evolving burarely changing. Tak te manque code sur usually when you can. It tell te meant you respect a much you respect yourself. Rara fait on te list. Dating no. Human of data note free insister, unless you actually intend on marrying her. Human of data note free ex unless you have explicit permission. Explicit permission man actually asking him. Share your possession when possible. If a friend ask for a pair of work boot, adri, or a crock po a day in advance, you should be on outoulant it to him. Car, lucky item, or omen are not necessarily applicable. Birthday present for otemen are alve optional. If press for information, you ma alve li en tel tem your significant ote ordered you to act. Neve initiate conversation with otemen a urinal station. It inove acceptable to ose a urinal immediately adjacent to a notement if en open, furte removed urinal available. No smile face emoticon are necessary when texting a note aiguille. All to acceptable, no preferable, to use when texting o omen, qui puse tout à bar minimum. L'ego of self-destructive tout or custom. Understand allmen in la culture ma have, to some extent, been socialized in wet mab psychologically and culturally damaging, en mabring, une happiness. The first step in creating a sense of self in manody to examine environment which you've raised, a objectively a you can. Did you grow up in a culture or it was acceptable to abuse someone, wet physically or verbally, who out of line or insubordinate? Violence is more often the result of cowardice than a genuine impulse to solve a problem. Using violence or threat against friends or family to show your authority is unhealthy and damaging. You talked about suppressing emotion, holding in tear, and exposing vulnerability? Drawback rita you also learn to internalize and suppress emotion which then feste and jet worse. Focus on a different of tug, be a reliable, strong figure who can handle adversity. You talked to at bar oblique fear anion who homosexual? Understand only on thing make you gay, having a romantic and sexual preference for people of the same gender. The kind of music you like, the clothes you wear, what you cry a sad movie, being your wife flower, sensitive or nice to water, none of the make you gay. Outward display of homophobia point to a own sexual insecurity, no prose. Body. Clean yourself, even if you are living out in town. A manque nota cleaning on body necessary, every animal de it, but don't fall into the trap of grooming yourself a part of some modernist social trend. Grooming a become a business en corporation en compagnie innovative of convincing you that you need endless un of necessary product. The modern grooming and manscaping business is all done in order to make money, no because it's noble, healthy or moral. You don't have to shave every day, especially no if you are growing a beard. Some men can no grow a proper beard, maybe better to stay clean shaven. Ote men have very good beard growth, which is natural to them to grow a full beard. Men tend to be afraid of what men think of facial hair, but it men are no slave to men. No man should dominate you into shaving your beard when you don't want to. Be yourself, a nature created you, be your own master. Don't shave your chest or body hair in general. You don't have to live up to an nonsensical and superficial image of a smooth, chiseled, plastic, man created by modern fashion, advertising and movie industry, again in order to make money. Be proof what make you a man, and the physical attribute nature created to give you your male identity. Showing but when necessary. A man benefit from showering when he dirty or smelly, no necessarily every day, like a lady do. A man who's to stay dirty or smelly for a good reason, working on a car, or about to work out. Your hair enfin gain regularly. Most men like no nonsense acute, all to some men prefer hair tie a lit le longer or styled. Exercice. Un man de et un man you need to be ripped. It demand you need to take care of your body. For some men, ta demand lifting weight, adjust toute responsibility of a man be keeping fit, do cardio, yoga or pilate, no only for women, strength training, or sport, combine with a healthy diet. At the very least, valk about 30 minutes a day to burn fat and build some muscle. Vir clot ta you. Your clot don't need to be designé or cost en armant à leg. Tedo, ove.